Introducing 88 Plus Home. Curious about the Plus? Plus represents a window frame and it's pronounced as jia, which can also mean home in Chinese. Discover your perfect home. Buy or rent luxury properties in Malaysia. We have branches and customers from Malaysia, Beijing, Hong Kong, Shanghai, Fujian, Guangzhou. Plus also represents targeting cross to locate your perfect home. 88 Home Discover 88 Mall, internet marketplace for furnishing and building material. Here are the 4 reasons why you need a website at 88 Mall. First, think global. Did you know that global internet users have reached more than 4 billion and rising? The majority of those shoppers prefer shopping online for reasons like saving time and money. Just choose a website name and give the world a chance to know you better. Second reason, cost effective. Tired of setting up for a furniture exhibition? Cost to print advertisement are going up? Scared of wasting money? There is an easier way. Yes, our website can help you save more expenses and time. You can even control your business anytime, anywhere. Third, user-friendly and informative. User-friendly website for your customers to know and understand every detail about your product. Allows your customers to order your product from everywhere at their convenience. Fourth, opportunity with big players. With your own website, you have lots of credibility and chances to approach investors and big companies. So how would you start an online business? Unsure about these problems when creating a website? We have it all sorted out. Just visit www.88mall.my and get started today. Introducing 88 Mall. Best deals guaranteed at 88 Mall. Unbeatable price. You can't get our price anywhere else. Professional services. Leave it to the experts. Trusted partners from contractors to interior designers to architects. Product direct from factory or distributor to consumer. How it works? Log on to 88mall.my, select the product you like, key in your mobile phone number, receive a SMS promo code, head to the store, and show your 88 Mall SMS promo code and purchase your product. Find us on www.88mall.my.